Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, reading po ito for air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Take only what resonates. For personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. Pa-search na lang siya, guys, sa TikTok or sa Facebook. Friend ko yun, guys. Hindi ako yun. Inuulit ko, hindi ako yun. Friend ko yun. And kung gusto mo sa akin, magpa-personal reading, so sad. Wala po akong personal reading. Meron akong palm reading. But if you would avail itong mga bracelet na ino-offer ko doon sa TikTok shop ko, so check it out na lang po. Pwede tayo magkita personal if you want for the personal reading ng mga nag-avail, no, noong bracelet. So anyway, this is for air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Okay, air sign. For air sign, wish is here. Wow, lagi nagpapakita sa akin ngayon yung card na yan. And love affair. Wow. So nakakita ko dito ng malaking pagbabago sa buhay mo. Kung ano man yung mga hinihiling mo in the past, I can see na mabilisan na ibibigay or pupunta, ma-achieve mo ito. And medyo mabilis, extreme, and it's very hot. So ibig sabihin, maaaring maging mabilis kung ano man itong pagdating ng mga wishes or hinihiling mo in the past. Wait lang, guys, inom lang akong tsaa. Okay. For air sign, please, for air sign. Mga naghihintay for air sign, please. Mga naghihintay for air sign, please. Wala, shuffle. For air sign, mga naghihintay sa mga air sign. Okay. Oh, kailangan mag-ipon ng iba sa inyo. You do have here the 4 of coins. Kailangan mag-ipon. The 8 of wands is here. Something to do with family. No? And I told you, the star is here. Maaaring matagal mo na itong hiniling. Matagal mo itong gustong mangyari sa buhay mo. There's a decision here to make. Nakita tayo ng new beginning para sa'yo. But do not be afraid. Huwag ka matakot. Especially regarding money. Especially regarding mga taong magagalit or what. Mga drama queen lang sila. Yeah, you do have your drama queen. These are like the people na parang magiging dahilan kung bakit parang hindi ka makapagdesisyon. Kung bakit may takot ka. Kung bakit parang hindi ka sure sa bagay na ito. Na maaaring naging mainit or naging mabilis para sa. But I feel like this is what you want. And a lot of people is going to help you. Kung may mga maiinis, magagalit, meron din naman mga taong tutulong sa'yo with the 6 of coins. And dito ka mag-concentrate. Nakita tayo dito ng pagtutulungan na energy. So, kung sino man, etong mga taong pinoproblema mo, wag mo silang problemahin. Okay? Sila ang matakot. Why? Kasi you will create big change sa buhay mo, sa buhay ng iba. And, alam mo, may mga tao ko tayo nakikitang tinulungan mo noon. So, itong mga taong to ang tutulong ulit sa'yo ngayon. Okay? And, yan, katulad nga na nakikita ko dito, maaaring ito may kinalaman sa mga taong nakikialam sa buhay mo or ninyo. Yung iba may kinalaman sa love eh. Kakaamoy ako ng Milo. This could be your reading, like a chocolate drink. This could be your reading. Anyway, yung mga tao nakikialam sa buhay mo, wala sila magagawa. This is what you want. This is your wish. 'Di ba? Bakit nila pipigilan yung something na gusto mo? So, gusto mo yan, ipaglaban mo, maging masaya ka. And, a lot of blessings is coming here. Pero wag mo lang pansinin talaga to. Ito lang kasi yung nagiging issue. Itong mga, and I can say a family na parang hindi aprobado dito or hindi siya masaya. Pero sabi ko nga, this is what you want. This is what you wish, what you prayed for. Diba? Tapos nung dumating na ngayon sa'yo, medyo abala lang itong taong ito. Diba? Pagdating sa love, messages for air sign. Messages for air sign. You do have your pretending. Okay. Love is here. And entrapment. Yan. Kita tayo dito ng entrapment is pregnancy and a lot of pagtatago. I can see a relationship na pwedeng hindi ino-open or itinatagong itinatagong relasyon. But I can see that like this relationship or connection magiging fruitful or pwedeng magbunga. And kailangan mo lang mag-take ng risk. You know? And may mga nakikita tayong hindi natutuwa talaga pagdating sa'yo. Pati sa love meron din, ha? May mga nakamasid. Pero wala nga silang magagawa. Nakikita natin dito. Tell me about love for air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. For those of you who are single, medyo mag-ingat ka lang. Someone who really likes you, wants to meet you, nakamasid lagi ito sa social media mo sa this person really likes you and to the point na pinagpapantasyan ganitong taong to. I'm feeling a soulmate energy. Soulmate or twin flame. Pwedeng hindi siya nagiging honest sa emotions niya for you. Or maybe some of you pwedeng in a relationship na tong taong to, that's why pwedeng hindi siya nagiging open sa emotions niya, but this person loves you, mahal ka niya. Or pwedeng ikaw din ay nasa isang relationship but this person loves you, still loves you, mahal ka niya. And hindi maikakailan nitong taong to yung soulmate connection ninyo. So that's why kaya kanya mahal, kasi parang feeling niya may kakaiba sa'yo, may something sa'yo na parang dapat tayo, parang ganon. So tell me more. The Fool is here. Natatakot lang siya mag-take ng risk, guys. Look at my card. This particular card is sira, but I love the images sa cards na to, so I'm still using it. The Four of Cups is here. Ten of Wands, yan. So nakakita tayo maraming obligasyon. This person wants to message you. Gusto kanya i-message, kaya lang pwede magkaroon ng problema or kasalukuyan nasa problema siya. Yan, nakita tayo the world, this is separation, and pwedeng nagiging dahilan ay because of another person. Para doon yan sa mga iba. Kasi yung iba nga, nakikita natin pagdating sa love, may magandang ibubunga naman. Okay? So, take only what resonates. Maraming messages doon. What will happen in the near future for air sign? Last message for you for air sign. In the near future, please. In the near future for air sign. High Priestess. Wow. Spiritually, nakikita natin nag-evolve ka. Financially, nagiging mas stable. The Page of Wands is here. Clarify the Page of Wands. Seven of Cups. Oh, wow. Tell me about this. More. Judgment. Ayan. The Sun. Magiging masaya ka in the near future. Nakikita natin. Sabi ko nga, pwedeng may mga bagay kang hiniling, winish na mapapapunta sa'yo. I can see good news. I can see na pwedeng I can see you buying something in the near future. Tell me about this. Meron kang bibilhin in the near future. The King of Swords, pwedeng may kinalaman ito sa iyong career. And the King of Cups and the King of Swords. And you do have here the Six of Wands. You can see Aries energy. Maybe some kind of a ring. Yeah, you could be buying a ring in the near future. Or someone is buying a ring for you. Maybe bili ng sing-sing para sa'yo. I want to clarify the Knight, the King of Cups and the King of Swords. Oh wow, Five of Wands. Someone will be mad. May magagalit. I can see challenge eh. Hindi I mean, some of you, may mga hindi talaga matutuwa dito sa news about this new beginning sa'yo. That this is like big change for you. For some of you, you could be dealing with two people. Pwede may kinalaman sa love. And there's a person who really miss you so much. Sobrang nasasaktan siya. Sobrang nalulungkot siya. This person is trying to move on. Pero feeling niya masaya ka na. But may times na inisip niya na feeling niya hindi ka masaya. Pero wala naman siya magawa doon. Ayan. Umiiwas at lumalayo itong person ito kasi wala naman talaga siya magawa. That person is feeling niya siya ay option lang, or feeling niya you have already made a decision, and maybe in the future sobrang ano kanya ina-admire. Yeah, I can see an admirer. Naiinggit siya sa mga tao na papalapit sa'yo. And thank you for watching. I love you all, and bye-bye.